Hello, welcome. Let's try to solve another Leetcode problem. 3259 maximum energy boost from two drinks. So we have two array of drinks, energy drink A and energy drink B. Let's first try to understand what we're gonna do. So this is gonna be array A and this is gonna be array B. So for array A we have 1, 3 and 1, and for array B we have 3, 1 and 1. So what we're gonna do for this array A and array B? So if we choose for each of the time, so for each of an hour, we can choose to drink array A or array B. So for example, if we want to drink array A, so in this position we get an energy of 1, and for the next we can get an energy of 3, and for the next we can get energy of 1 if we didn't shift to B. Because if we were to shift to B, we have to jump through this one and go to the next one. Yeah. So if we choose A or if we choose B, so the energy is going to be 5, and this is going to be the maximum. Yeah. But in another case is that if we drink this one, for example, B is bigger, maybe we want to drink this one. And then we want to jump through this B, we want to choose A, but we cannot choose this A from here. We cannot choose this 3, we have to choose the next one. Maybe this one is a 4. Yeah, so 3 plus 4 is going to be 7. 7 is going to be bigger than 5, so we're going to choose 7. Yeah. So basically we have two decisions. We have a current state. Our current state is at array A, for example, or we have a current state. It's going to be at array B. Yeah. So for example, if our current state is at the first place of our array A, now what's going to be the next? What's going to be the next state we can do? So we can continue to choose array A. For example, we're going to choose 3, or we're going to jump through this jump one number. It means we're going to rest for 1 hour according to the problem, and we're going to directly choose this one inside array B. Yeah, so this is what we're going to do. We just want to check which one going to be bigger. Yeah, maybe we're going to choose this 3 going to be bigger, or maybe we jump this one, we're going to choose this one maybe bigger. Yeah, so this is the decisions. Or we can start from array B. So it means we can start from array A or we can start array B. We just need to choose the maximum value. Yeah. So normally such kind of problem, we're going to call it state machine problem. Basically, we're going to use deep dynamic programming, but we can use DFS with memorization. So the idea is that we're going to check the state, and we're going to find what's going to be the next state. Yeah. So let me use a cast and let me define the function. So my first state, I'm gonna start in from index I. So I gonna be 0, and then I'm gonna choose A. So this A can be true or false. So if it is true, it means my current state is at array A. So this is gonna be array A. Otherwise, my current state is gonna be at array B. Yeah. So what am I going to do? I'm going to call this DFS. So I'm going to start in from 0 with true. This means I'm going to start in from array A. Or I can also start from array B. So it's going to be 0 with false. So this means I'm going to start from array B. Yeah. But I want to choose the maximum value. So I'm going to return maximum of the two possible results. Now let me prepare a variable n. It's going to be the length of the energy in drink A or energy in drink B. It doesn't matter because they are equal. Because this n going to be 10 to the power of 5. This means in our DFS, basically the time complexity going to be O(n). This is okay because A going to be true or false. Yeah. So we're going to check if I is more than and equal to n. Basically, it means it goes out of the range. So if it goes out of the range, we can return a 0, and then we're gonna check A or B. If my current state is at A, so I'm gonna return the maximum value plus the energy drink A because I'm at array A. Yeah. Otherwise, so I'm gonna return the maximum value plus the energy drink of B with this I. Yeah, so this is going to be the basic idea. So how can we check this A if we are at this array A? Because if we know how to check this array A, basically if we are at array B, it's gonna be similar. Yeah. So if we are at array A, what's gonna be the next state? So we can stay at array A. So if we were to stay at array A, it's gonna be I plus 1 with true. So this means we're gonna stay at array A. This is true means we are at array A. Or we can jump to array B. So it's gonna be I plus 2 with a false. And similarly for array B, if we are at array B, we can stay at array B. So it's gonna be DFS I plus 1. So here gonna be a false. So this means we can stay at array B, or we can jump to array A. So I plus 2 with a true. Yeah. So this is gonna be the basic pattern of the state machine problem. Basically, if there are state of the problem, for example, we have two arrays. So this is array A, this is array B. Sometimes we are at array A, sometimes we are at array B, and maybe we're gonna jump back to array A and then go to array B, and we just need to find the different states. Yeah. Now let me just run it to have a check. It seems it didn't work. Yeah, I passed the first testing case, but I cannot pass the second testing case. It means I did something wrong, definitely. Let me check. Yeah, so this is I am at array A, so it's going to be I plus 1 with true, and I need to jump to array B. It's going to be I plus 2. Here I did something wrong. I think I didn't. I make a typo here. It's going to be I plus 2 because I will jump to array B. It's going to be plus 2. Here, if I were to jump to array A, it will be I plus 2. Yeah, because according to the question, if we are at here at A, it is okay. We just jump to the next. But if we were to go to array B, we must jump one position. It means it's going to be I plus 2. Now let me just run it to have a check. Now as you can see, it works. Now let me submit it. Yeah, as you can see, it works and it passed all testing cases. I think 1 second is enough to solve such kind of problem because the time complexity is O(n). And for such problem, we just need to analyze the state. Maybe from the beginning, it is a little bit difficult to analyze all different states, but while you are preparing or practicing such kind of problem, it's going to be much easier if you are using the DFS plus memorization. Normally, by using DFS, it's going to be easier to solve such kind of problem because DFS is easy. It's easier to analyze the different states. So basically, we only have two different states, yeah, as you can see here. And this one going to be symmetric to this one, as you can see. Yeah, here I plus 1, true, here false, here true. Yeah, it is a little bit symmetric. And if we know one of the states, definitely we can write for another state. Yeah. I think that's all about it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.